Dear business owner, in your business, do you find it difficult to repair, wash, change wheels and change tires on motorcycles and scooters without a work lift? Then we have a solution. Then Flyjack motorcycle lifts are for you. Specially designed to use in small motorcycle garages, tire shops, polishing centers, washing centers and dealer workshops. The lift comes to you with a 1-year special warranty program. You don't need electricity to operate the lift. Very easy to move the lifted motorcycle or scooter on any hard level floor. You can sit very close to the lift to work with comfort. If your works on the vehicle is not finished, the lifted vehicle can be moved to any direction in the garage. A perfect lift to use with big cruiser motorcycles, normal motorcycles, scooters, electric scooters, ATVs and auto rickshaws. In Flyjack work lifts, the front suspension and the rear suspension can be loosened or removed together without the assistance of another person. Both wheels can be loosened or removed together. The vehicle under repair can be safely stored on the lift. The engineering and the unique design of Flyjack lifts prevents the lifted vehicle from shaking and keeps it with high stability. Flyjack lifts are designed with 10 unique safety features to prevent where other commonly available motorcycle jacks normally fail in long time usage. To learn more about this, either contact us at 944760955 or order at flyjacks.com. We offer pan-India shipping and a 1-year warranty on our economy motorcycle jacks. You can use this jack for washing and detailing also. This jack is high quality powder coated and it will not get rust even in frequent contact with water. You can safely wash the motorcycle or scooter at a comfortable working height with the convenience of washing the underbody and confined areas where it is difficult to clean perfectly.